I'm gonna pull back the curtain and take you backstage to see what went into creating this spectacular one-of-a-kind ring. Let's go. You'll see here the rough casting, which I'll now be refining into the final piece. I'm gonna be hand sculpting beautiful, even scoops under the diamonds to reflect light and create dimension. Now this step takes extra time, but it's one of the features that puts it at a higher level of quality. And eventually we'll make sure to polish them brilliantly before setting, because once the diamonds are set, we can't go back under them to polish again. Now I'm drilling holes for setting the diamonds, making sure to go just deep enough for all of the diamonds to stay perfectly even. Sanding off the sprue that was part of the casting process, and smoothing out the inside so it's comfortable to wear. The diamonds are in place now, so I'm using a customized tool to secure the diamonds with micro prongs. There are 150 diamonds on the outside of this ring that have been color matched to the center diamond to ensure maximum brilliance. Every angle of the ring needs to be polished, including the inside. We use thin pieces of string coated with polishing compound in order to smooth and polish every nook and cranny. This is the 3.5 carat colorless natural diamond I sourced for Harold and Kathy. Preparing to set the center diamond now. I always polish underneath where the diamond will be set, because once it's secured to the ring, you can't get back underneath there, and if there are rough edges, then lotions and grime can get stuck under the diamond, making it look less brilliant. I'm cleaning it off. And now I'm setting the heart of their ring, the stunning 3.5 carat center diamond, into their one-of-a-kind setting. The prongs will be sculpted to be my signature claw prongs, which mimic the shape of the facets of the diamond. This takes extra time, but it takes it to a whole new level of quality, so your eye can focus on the brilliance of the diamond. I'm using a pneumatic hammer to make sure that those prongs are perfectly pressed against the diamond. And now I'm sculpting those prongs. There are many steps involved in order to achieve that perfect claw prong, but once it's done, it just looks absolutely fabulous. A hidden feature will be a sapphire and diamond inside the ring, which are their birthstones, and they're going to be placed side by side. They're flush set inside, so she can't feel them or see them when they're being worn, but it's always there, something that only they know about. Check out how they look. Absolutely stunning, side by side forever. Now I'm putting the finishing touches to the prongs, so they not only function perfectly to secure the diamond, but also look incredible. And then the last step will be applying that final polish to make it shine.
I didn't realize how beautiful a ring could be until I saw the proportions that you've done, where everything matches coming up the side and the halo and everything's in perfect proportion, and it's so tight around there. And she loves the double shank. She's so happy and makes me so happy.
Oh, that's so good. Oh, I love that. Every time I create one stage and I get past the casting, or I get past the wax stage, or I get past the diamond setting stage, it's like Christmas for me. I feel like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to show Harold and Kathy. It's just gonna be, it's because I know it's exactly what you want. And so when I get past each stage and I see how it's developing from scratch, just completely custom for Kathy, I'm just very excited for her to have this on her finger.
We're so excited for it too, and it's just everything she wanted. I didn't realize that anybody would start from scratch and make the casting and make everything. That's so special and important to us, and it's so cool to mean so much. This is something that you've created, that we wanted. We found somebody that could do something and produce something so beautiful. I can slide it on her hand and she'll love it. Baby, I love you.
I love you.
Enjoy.
Wait, see it. Oh, no way. What? I love you were the love of my life. That is beautiful. Oh my God. You like?
I like.
I love.
You like? I love you, baby.
I love you.
And if you're looking for your very own custom ring, feel free to reach out to the studio at vanessanicole.com. I would love to learn more about what you're looking to make, and I would absolutely love to exceed your expectations with it. Oh, and if you liked this video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, since that's going to tell YouTube that this is something people should watch before getting a custom ring. I mean, this channel, it honors meaningful relationships and creativity and just an appreciation for the time that it takes to achieve fine craftsmanship through beautiful artistry. And so by watching these videos here, you're gonna be surrounding yourself with these values and just encouraging excellence. So subscribe and leave a comment below saying hi. And in the meantime, I'm wishing you a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.